All right, we are back at it today, and we're taking a look at a dash cam that is honestly a breath of fresh air if you're tired of massive screens cluttering up your windshield. This is the Viofo VS1. Now, if you've seen the Garmin Mini series, the design here is going to feel very familiar. It's small, it's sleek, and it has that ultra-clean layout that just disappears behind your rearview mirror. But don't let the size fool you. This thing is packed with some of the latest tech we've been seeing in much larger units. We're talking 2K Quad HD, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the same Sony Starvis 2 sensor that everyone is raving about. We're going to walk through the setup, how it actually performs on the road, and why that minimalist design might actually be its biggest strength. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Getting started with the VS1 is pretty straightforward. First, you want to grab your memory card and hold it in the orientation shown on the side. Just slide it into the slot until you hear that satisfying click. Mounting it is just as simple, but you want to do it right. We always start by wiping down the installation surface with a dry cloth to make sure it's pristine. Viofo includes these static stickers, which are a lifesaver. You peel the red film off, attach the sticker to the glass, and press it for a few seconds to make sure there are no bubbles. Once that's solid, you peel the green film off the sticker and the protection film off the camera's sticky pad, then just press the camera onto the sticker firmly. Once it's up there, you just power it up by connecting the car charger, and the second it gets power, the recording starts automatically. If you ever need to take it out, maybe to bring it inside or hide it, you can just slide the camera to the right and pull it straight out of the mounting bracket. It's a very clever, low-profile setup that doesn't scream, "I have a camera here," to anyone walking by. Now, since this is a minimal and compact dashcam, it doesn't have a built-in screen. That means it relies on button combinations, and we wanted to show you exactly how they work so you aren't fumbling around. On the back, you've got the memory button. A short press during recording will lock that file so it doesn't get overwritten, and a long press for 5 seconds toggles the Wi-Fi on or off. Over on the right side, you've got the mic button. Audio recording is on by default, but a quick short press will disable it. If you need to format your card, just hold that mic button for at least 8 seconds and it'll format and start recording again automatically. If things ever act up, pressing the mic button 5 times consecutively will reset the whole unit. But honestly, the coolest part is the voice control. It supports 7 different commands, so we can just tell it to take photo, lock the video or turn on Wi-Fi
enabled,
without ever taking our hands off the wheel. It's a huge safety feature for a camera this small. Like any other Viofo cam, the VS1 connects to the Viofo app. We just make sure the Wi-Fi is on, connect our phone, the default password is 12345678, and open the app. Once you hit Connect Your Camera, you get a live view on your phone screen. This is where you want to adjust the lens angle up or down to make sure you're getting the best view of the road. All your settings, from resolution to parking mode, are handled right here, and you can download files directly to your phone if you need to show them to an officer or an insurance agent. If you find clicking buttons on the dashcam annoying, especially in an emergency, we really recommend the optional Bluetooth remote button. We just hold the lock button on the remote for 3 seconds to pair it, wait for the LED to turn blue, and then stick it somewhere convenient on the dashboard. One tap of that remote and the video is locked. It's way faster than reaching up behind the mirror. Performance-wise, the 2K resolution is clean. Is it as sharp as a 4K unit like the A229 Pro? Of course not. But for a tiny 2K camera, the image quality is impressive. The Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor is the real hero here, showing its capability with some of the best nighttime recording we've seen at this price point. The HDR works well too, helping to balance out those bright headlights and dark street corners so license plates don't just turn into white blurs. The only real downside we found is that there is no rear camera support. This is a one-channel system, so if you want rear recording, you'd basically have to buy a second unit and mount it in the back. But for a front-facing set-and-forget solution, the quality is top tier. So here is our take. Is the Viofo VS1 worth the buy? In our opinion, if you're looking for a discreet, high-quality dashcam that doesn't break the bank, the answer is a big yes. You're getting that cutting-edge Starvis 2 sensor and 2K resolution in a package that is practically invisible once installed. It's simple, it's reliable, and the voice controls make up for the lack of a screen. You're looking at a price point of around $100 to $120 depending on the sales, and for that money, it's one of the best bang for your buck options out there right now. If you want a dual cam setup, you'll have to look elsewhere, but for a front-only unit, this is the new king of the compacts. So that's the breakdown on the Viofo VS1. It's small, it's smart, and it definitely delivers where it counts. We'll put the links to the camera and that Bluetooth remote down in the description so you can check the latest prices for yourself. If you've been using a Garmin Mini and are thinking about switching to Viofo for that Starvis 2 sensor, let us know in the comments. We're curious to hear how the transition went. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dashcam reviews and tech deep dives. Other than that, we hope you all have a good day. Peace.